cute. I'm handsome. I'm smart. I'm super. I'm awesome. Everybody loves Wyatt. He could be a little musician. He seems to really like the beat.
He's been playing the piano at the...
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
How good did he play?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Really?
Better than I can.
Better than I can too.
Really? I don't know.
He whipped out some Mozart, right?
Yeah. Ha.
Let's stop pulling those down. I know there's a little bell on that.
Hey, Auntie Corey.
Hi.
Let's play with your bell.
You're awesome.
I'm awesome too.
Corey, do you want your bell?
Let's say Corey.
Woohoo! That's what I can do. That's what I can do.
Woo!
Oh, you're getting there, buddy. You are getting there.